I messed up my little countdown at the beginning. The whole idea of it is usually there's a little bit of fiddling I have to do right before I start the stream. And also, if you just launch in right away with the stream, like right when you start, anyways, it doesn't matter. Very boring. My name's Eric. I'm working on Faces That You Can Talk To. Let's go demo. Progress made recently. Here we go. Bam. All right. So yesterday I had a nice little spiel, a spiel of some dialogue for this guy to talk through, and I was trying to fix a bug, and the bug was related to renaming, and as a side effect of that bug, or fixing that bug, I ended up deleting all the audio that went along with the spiel. But that's not bothering me that much. The whole point of this software is it's just supposed to be really easy to generate new audio that goes with the character when they're talking. So, like, I'm not even bothered by losing that data. I'll show you. I'm just going to create a new conversation right now from scratch and just record it and get it working. I'm going to get that done in probably about 15 minutes. So let's see. Conversation topic. I'll say Grubbo wants to know if it's your birthday or not. So let's start with that. So he says, "Hey, idiot. Hey, buddy. Hey, puke face. Since the two of them are kind of mean, I want the middle one to be mean too. When I put variations, the variation should follow the same basic meaning. Hey, dumble dummy. Hey, puke face. Yeah, dumble dummy. I don't know. What's a good insult? Hey, brick for brains. Okay. So there's his hello. Let's add another line. Let's say, today your birthday? Is it your birthday today? That's enough for that. All right. And then we'll add a reply. Let's say, yes. Yeah. It is my birthday. Birthday is today. So here what I'm thinking of is, like, in my mind I'm playing back all the different ways that a player might say, yeah, it's my birthday. So if he says yes, yeah. If he says, It is my birthday today, or my birthday is today. All that stuff work. All that stuff should work. Now I'm thinking also today's, and then I'll put a little ellipsis in between. Now, it could be that the player says today is not my birthday, but it's kind of unlikely. So I'm going to let that stand as a matching. Okay. Okay, then Grubbo is going to say in response, oh, then that explains it. Oh, that's the explanation. Okay, we'll see how well this works. Let's add another reply for the no. No, nope, not ellipsis birthday. So it could be not my birthday. It's not my birthday. It is not my birthday. Not my birthday today. A lot of variations with that ellipsis there. No. Today, not today. Oh, then I'm confused. Well, that makes me wonder. Huh. Very strange. Okay. I mean, just say it's confused, so I'll set the emotion confused. Okay. Then I'll add one more line here. It's going to say, you're strutting around like it's your birthday. You act like it's your birthday. You act like it's your very special day. You seem like you expect this day to be special. Okay. And then let's add another line. And we'll say, let's see, how am I doing? 5:07. I'm going to get done with this by 5:15. This little exchange here. Let's see, I have him say one more thing. You want me to get you let's see, what flavor birthday cake you want? Let's just keep it with one line there. Okay. And then some different replies. Don't want cake. No cake. No, thank you. Mm-hmm. Oh. All right. And then suppose the player says, I don't know, chocolate. You know what? You know what I'll do? I'll just say, ooh, chocolate cake. And then let's just do some other flavors. Add reply. Coconut. Ooh, coconut. With a special monkey cake. Add reply. What else? Lemon. Ooh, lemony cake. Sour and sweet. And I just wanted to double check on this. I want to be amused, not neutral for that reply. And reply. What other kinds of cake are there? German. Oh, Nazi cake. No, I won't do that. I won't go there. I won't go there. Oh, cake from Deutschland. Although the speech recognition is probably not going to pick up Deutschland correctly. Cake from the Germans. Okay, let's go with that. Add reply. That's enough. That's enough. I could go on forever. I got time to make you a crap sandwich. Yeah. Little Three Stooges, but that's what I feel like doing right now. All right, so for that one, he'll just go back to... No, he'll be happy. There we go. All right, that should do it. Let's record those. 5:11, I got 4 minutes to get this going. All right, so we do select by all that have not been recorded. That's all of them, basically. And then I'm just going to record them right now. Let's do it. 20 lines. Hey, idiot. Hey, brick for brains. Hey, puke face. Is today your birthday? Is it your birthday today? Oh, and that explains it. That's the explanation. Oh, then I'm confused. Well, that makes me wonder. Huh, very strange. You're strutting around like it's your birthday. You act like it's your very special day. You seem like you expect this day to be special. What flavor of birthday cake you want? Oh, I thought you deserved a special cake on your special day. Ooh, chocolate cake. Ooh, coconut like a special monkey cake. Ooh, lemony cake, sour and sweet. Oh, cake from the Germans. I only got time to make you a knuckle sandwich. I only got time to make you a knuckle sandwich. All right, then we go through and finalize these all, which just means setting the trim points. Okay. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left to meet my own self-imposed deadline. So I'm just flying through. So can tell by looking at the waveform that the start and end has to be set to fit it. I do have some automatic detection that does a pretty decent job. But still here and there I can tell it needs correction. That is a little bit of a taunt to me. Like if the human eye can see so quickly where it should go, then it makes me feel like a machine should be able to see it too. But I don't know. There may be a revision to it in the future where I get down to fully automatic or right 99% of the time or something like that. The algorithm I've got there is pretty good though. I'm a little bit proud of it. Don't want to be so proud that I can't improve it later though. Okay. So coming up, 5:15. Ooh, hurry. I could say pencils down, but I just got a little bit more. Just a little more. Come on. Oh, don't turn the 5:16 on me. Come on. One more. Okay, pencils down. Okay, there we go. Come over to Spiels. We're just going to try this out.
Hey, Brick for Brains.
Yeah?
Is it your birthday today?
No.
You act like it's your very special day. What flavor of birthday cake you want?
I don't
I
want.
only got time to make you a knuckle sandwich.
Okay, so that basically worked, but I forgot to put in pause points after the lines. So he's just kind of barreling through without giving me a chance to talk, which is sometimes what you want, but in this case, it's not what I want. Let that be a pregnant pause there. That can be just as it is. And this will be another. All right, here we go again.
Hey, Puke Face.
What?
Is it your birthday today?
No, it's not.
Well, that makes me wonder.
Yeah?
You act like it's your very special day. What flavor of birthday cake you want?
I don't want a birthday cake.
Oh, I thought you deserved a special cake on your special day. I only got time to make you a knuckle sandwich.
All right. So let's say that took me 16 minutes to put together. Not bad. All right, now for the next part, let's rename this and see. Is it your birthday? If it will still work after I rename it. I don't need to go through the debugger, just hit play. All right, it says, is it your birthday up here? And here, let's do a fresh reload on this, just to make sure. Okay, so that was the thing that was broken yesterday, but now it's working fine. So.
Hey, Brick for Brains.
What?
Is it your birthday today?
Yes.
That's the explanation. You act like it's your very special day. What flavor of birthday cake you want?
Coconut.
Oh, coconut, like a special monkey cake. I only got time to make you a knuckle sandwich.
All right, so that's that. Let's spend the rest of the session just making a few improvements. I've got about 40 minutes. I have been enjoying talking to this guy in the open source community called Kevin Harrington, and he is making some similar software for automatic lip animation from audio. So we compared notes with each other. And I also learned about this project, which I followed too. Daniel S. Wolf and contributors put together some similar functionality. I will have to try theirs at some point and look through the source, see if there's anything I can gain from them. I happen to be pretty proud of my own little algorithm, but I'll stop my bragging. Okay, let's get to my own GitHub over here. Okay, this is the one that I started to work on when I caused another bug to be visible that I had detoured to. So I think I can fix this one. So if I go to projects page, it's got the entry spiel set to "Is it your birthday?" If I come back to the spiels page and I rename this again, "Is it your birthday?" That's a nice moment there. It says name must be unique. Gotta give a unique name. Okay, cool. Rename. All right, so then come back over to here. Question is, yeah, okay, did update. That's good. That's good. So it looks like I fixed that bug at the same time. Nice. Do I have new spiel functional? I don't. This is a button that goes to nowhere. Let's see. So what do I want to do with my time? My limited time. First off, I can close this issue. This issue. This one might be a nice one to do, because I'm constantly moving that right trim button to the right a little bit. Let me see how hard that is to fix. So let's take the control. Hey, idiot. Okay, that's a good example. So the correct movement there for me would be let's see.
Hey, idiot.
Wow, it's a little loud. Clipping a bit, I'd say. Here, let's turn it down a bit.
Hey, idiot.
Let me try something kind of simple before I finesse. Where is this going to be? A speech screen, dialogues, trim slider, interactions, core revision, speech table, take interactions. That's probably where it is. Although if I just go into the trim speech dialog, I'll see exactly how it gets set. So when this starts up, gets the channel data, get set start and end values from sample analysis. Let's look at that. Okay, return, let's see, I less than chunks length minus 1, I plus 1. And then I could pass I. Is it more readable to pass I or to pass chunk lengths? I think just I is better. Okay. So let's see how that does. That kind of looks correct. Let me try it.
Hey, idiot.
It's not correct. So here, maybe it moved over a little bit from where it would have been, but
Hey, brick for brains.
I think I want that little bit there at the end.
Hey, brick for brains.
You know what it is? Like if I was doing this properly and correctly, I think that the parameters for finding the start should be different than the parameters for finding the end. Because I can make this pick a point further out by changing the parameters for the silence detection to be a little more sensitive. But if I did that, then that would also cause this to come out in this direction a little bit. So this feels like a hack here, so I'm going to take it out. Okay. So chunk duration 1/40, RMS segment count 40. Let me see if I've already got. I think I already have the logic correct for the location of the chunk. Yeah, I already had to add 1 to it, which looks correct to me. So whatever chunk number it's giving me, the chunks are like horizontal divisions to examine the volume inside of. Okay. So just to see how it's affected. What if I increase the RMS segment count? Let's double it. Okay, so these were the original options that basically worked. And then let's try it again. Hey, brick for brains. Okay, does it move it more towards in that direction? Kind of hard to tell. Maybe the chunk duration matters. Okay, let's go the opposite direction. 20. Okay, here it actually had the effect of moving it kind of too far. Okay, let's go back to 40. I think with 20 it was off over here. You know what? I better take some snaps. So this is the baseline. Get my Photoshop going. Or you know what's simpler than Photoshop? Let's just do a Google Doc. Docs, Google, blank. Okay, we have that, and then this is equal for, okay, so this is, or let's see, that. Alright, then we'll go and just show what each of these variations does. Okay, so 20. Hey, brick for brains. Alright. Lots of tabbing around. Yeah, I did move it to the left. Okay, that's good to know. Let's go the opposite direction, do 80. I just want to see if it moved it further or not. Hey, brick for brains. Okay, I don't know that it did much there. I'll be able to tell in a second. I tell you, if you just get good at grabbing screenshots, it's a simple thing. It makes so much work go better. Okay, that did help, and it didn't move the left out further either. So far so good. Let's keep going with this approach. We'll just see if we can find the sweet spot. Now I'm just doubling again. Okay, see now we've got the left going way off over here, which is not great. Because it basically said, yeah, we can't be in the right place over here. And this didn't go that much further. So it seems like there's limits to this particular approach. And it might be something like on the right side, because there's air coming out of my mouth, this tail just is a lot harder to find the end of. Because it just doesn't go to like perfect quiet in the same way that the beginning does. Not perfect quiet, but like like it's not as quiet over here as you'd expect. That might be confusing it. Wait, did I get that last one? Yeah. Okay. So 160 is not good. 80 is better. 80 might be close to the right place. Also, I noticed that 160 did move it further over on the right. I'm going to keep going on this. I suspect if I go to 320, it's just going to be all the way to the left and all the way to the right. But we shall see. All the way to the left, tiny bit further on the right. So definitely I've reached the point of super diminishing returns. Okay. Okay, so it's sort of going to some kind of asymptote over here. And I don't think that I can tweak the params in this way to make it go further out. I could add just a fudge to the end, just sort of based on like what the most common come to a close time is. And I've done so many corrections, I feel like I have a decent shot at getting that fudge factor right. I would feel better if I had some audio from different recording environments to test against. This recording environment I have is one of the worst ones. It's kind of noisy. Like there's a fair amount of room noise, and So I do think like this algorithm would work better in better recording environments. So what if we took it to 80 and then just add a fudge to it? So, but before I do that, let's do a little check on the other ones I recorded as well. So there's that. I just want to see if I get any bad positioning on the left for the other ones. Yeah, bad positioning there. Bad positioning here too. Okay. So there really may be some kind of bad effects of going with this chunk duration. Let me try 60. It doesn't feel right to be fine-tuning this so much when we're this close to bad results. Let's go back to 40. I may just stick with 40. And now I've broken something else maybe. No, this one's an edge case because it's got like quite a bit of noise here. Yeah. Okay. So, did I break this one? I broke something. Oh. Oh, this is still at 320. Okay. Sorry. That was a bad test. Go back to 80. 1 over 40. I think I was editing this and that was like not the right approach. Okay, check this. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'll have to do the little nudge fudge on the right side. Okay, if I came over this much, it would be fine. Okay, boom. So one might say, why don't you just find a certain threshold of loudness and use that? And if it goes above it, then that's speech. If it's beneath it, then it's not. I do kind of do that, but that threshold is based upon what are the flat areas in the waveform with a fuzzy definition of flat. And it gives me a number. And when this side goes above that threshold, yeah, I call it speech. And coming from the other side, when samples go above that threshold in a chunk, because when you measure loudness, you want to average it over a small span, then I call that the end. And then I think it's just the nature of speech that you tend to have air coming out of your mouth a little bit longer on the ending side. Okay, so just going through these, just looking to see if I've really degraded much here. Okay, so that one is far left, probably because of this business. Some early breath there. Which one was that? Oh, then I'm confused. Was that it? Yeah, okay. So let's see if going back to 40 helps that one or not. No, it didn't. So I'll keep it at 80. Oh, well, the next one goes far left too. So let's test it again at 40. Oh, see, in this case, the 40 helps it. Okay. Okay. I think I probably had about the right setting to start with. It's not going to be something I can tweak to get it to go to a better location than what it is. I don't think. Let's see. Uh, so yep. Since I'm already doing this offset right thing, then I don't need to also have a +1 here. All right, so now I'm going to tweak this other constant until we get to a good place. Okay, that's pretty good. That's not as good.
A puke face. A puke face. A puke face.
That wasn't a bad start where it came to.
Is today your birthday?
I think I heard it chop off.
Is today your birthday? Is today your birthday? Is today your birthday?
It did was pretty subtle. I'm just going to go up a little bit. Let's go up to 3.
Hey, idiot!
Okay.
Hey, brick for brains.
So I can see.
Hey, brick for brains.
That one was okay.
A puke face. Is today your birthday? Is today your birthday?
I think, how long is a... Huh. Let's be more generous. Let's do 6. Okay, that's going way out there, right?
Hey, idiot! Hey, brick for brains.
That looks about right, though.
A puke face.
That's about right.
Is today your birthday? Is it your birthday today? Oh, and that explains it. That's the explanation.
Okay, this might be a really good update. So that one's got the junk at the beginning.
Oh, then I'm confused.
Then I'm confused. So in this case, I would pull that in manually.
Oh, then I'm confused.
Okay, I'll turn it up a little bit.
Well, that makes me wonder. Oh, very strange.
So far, there's only been one that really needed a manual edit.
You're strutting around like it's your birthday.
Okay, and this is a little bit of junk audio at the end, which is fine. I would manually edit that. I don't mind the detection algorithm, like putting the guy off to the right into it.
You're strutting around like it's your birthday.
This had some garbage at the beginning. Let's listen to the garbage.
You act like it's your very special day. You act like it's your very special day.
So that's okay. I don't mind that garbage. Getting detected as possible voice. Okay. So far, these are doing pretty well.
You seem like you expect this day to be special.
I think that this voice is just a bad Bill Burr impression.
What flavor of birthday cake you want? Oh, I thought you deserved a special cake on your special day.
Okay. Yeah, I think I got this one. I just need to write a comment that kind of explains my thinking, because it's...
Ooh, coconut like a special monkey cake. Ooh, lemony cake, sour and sweet. Oh, cake from the Germans. I only got time to make you a knuckle sandwich.
Okay, there, it missed it. Oh well.
I only got time to make you a knuckle sandwich.
But what it would have done is put it off over here. Whereas with the update, it put it there. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Do a cancel on that. Okay. So I'm going to call this good. That's a pretty decent update. The one thing I want to do is just explain my reasoning here. That comment's pretty good, but it's not quite right. That comment is quite clever from Copilot. Got to give Copilot its due. Delete this. Because of okay. Because of the way human speech works, the trail off at the end close a word is yeah. Yeah, you clever fucker, Copilot. We need to look a few chunks to the right. Here's the thing that I love about this is the fact that Copilot is generating this explanation means that somewhere in the universe somebody else said the same thing. Probably 10 or 20 people wrote the same thing in their code. Also, I've noticed that it looks like my stream is frozen. Maybe it was just the playback. Okay. To offset to the right of the last chunk to avoid Copilot. Yep. Except I'll say end of the speech. End of the speech. Yeah, I was gonna say it's a bit of a hack. It is. It's so weird having like the AI kind of like put in exactly what I was gonna type. All right. Yeah. Okay, but that's not quite right. So I may, Copilot, what do you think I may do? Yeah, no, I could be more specific. So I may want to update the, yes, but later. All right. And then just to make sure that comment is seen as going with this line, I'll just add space there. And let's commit that and call that a delivered feature. Git status, git commit A, okay. And then push it out to GitHub. All right, I don't think I have any other like really easy bugs to fix real quick. I'm gonna check my issues. Oh, let's close that. Okay, now we're down to 8. A bunch of these are testing. This one's gonna take a session at least. Yeah, 551. Okay. Let's call it a session. I like to end with some progress made and not be halfway through something. So I'm going to stop the stream right here. Stopping the stream. Stopping the stream. Stopping the stream.